Yo, what's up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm not going to ignore the fact that I haven't uploaded for a minute, but I've been a little busy recently and I cannot upload that much videos, but I'm glad to announce that there are going to be more videos in the future and I'm officially back. But today we're going to take a look at probably the fastest and the easiest way to make your own customizable logo on your Android device for free. So without being said, let's get going. Okay, so this website is called renderforest.com. The link is going to be down in the description below of this video. On the main page, go ahead and hit on get started and they will give you three options: logo, video, or website. We are looking to make a logo, so go ahead and hit on logo. And as you can see, these are all the logos that people created using this website, which looks pretty damn good. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and hit on create now on the bottom of your screen, and then it's going to give you this option right over here, and you should go ahead and just enter your name and just put in Cinou because this is my YouTube channel name or my brand name. Okay, so this is probably the best part on this logo maker, and it's honestly the most genius logo maker I've ever tried, because as you can see, this section right over here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically describe your logo how you want it, and they will make it for you. So I just put in, I want a logo for my gaming YouTube channel, and let's just say I want it to be minimalist, so I'm gonna go ahead and just type in minimalist, and all what you have to do now is to hit next, and then they are going to create you a logo. But first, you're gonna go ahead and just choose in the font that you want on your logo. I want something simple and minimalist, so I want to head and choose in bold, and see how fast was that? That was really fast. I did not even finish my sentence and they already made me a couple of logos. As you can see, these are gaming related logos. They are simple and minimalist, just like I've asked, and it's honestly like really mind-blowing because the only thing that I've done is literally describe my logo and how I want it, and they gave me exactly what I wanted, which is like a gaming logo and minimalist at the same time. So they got it spot on. I don't know how does this AI thing works, but it damn works, and these logos are actually pretty damn cool, and these are more suggestions. You know what, I actually like this one right over here. It's kind of like a controller, but it's really cool. As you can see right over here, you can choose the style of your logo. I think I like this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and select it. You can go ahead and just sign in using Facebook or Google. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and sign in using my Google account just because it's the easiest and fastest way, and as you can see, just with one tap I'm already in, just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just customize it, and as you can see, this is how the logo is supposed to look like. You can go ahead and edit the text or the size or the style of the text or anything you want. As you can see, you can change the colors to, you can do whatever you want with it, and you can actually change the name afterwards. You can put in maybe a tagline or slogan. So let's say if you want people to subscribe to you, you can go ahead and hit subscribe to my channel and they will write it for you. As you can see, you can get this for free, or you can buy 19 bucks to get this logo with an HD quality, but the free version is still good as well. So if you're not willing to pay any money, you can go ahead and download it for free. But if you have that kind of money, I mean, it's 19 bucks, you can go ahead and just check out right now and they will give you a really high quality logo. And honestly, this was really fast and they got the logo that I wanted spot on. So I have absolutely no complaints, and I really do suggest you guys to check this website out. And as you can see, if you go ahead and hit on download, it's pretty much going to download it, and it's going to be really fast. As you can see, it's already downloaded, and you can go ahead and just use it as your own logo, or you can even put it on your merch or put it on like a banner or anything you want. And to be real with you guys, I think this is honestly, like, I've never tried a website, a logo maker that is this fast and this genius as this. I just described my logo and they gave it to me. They are pretty straightforward and pretty damn customizable. You can customize literally anything. These are the colors. You can go ahead and check them out. You can change any color you want. You can give it an accent. You can do whatever you want with your logo. I think this is honestly like the best logo maker right now. You can make a logo in literally 10 seconds. Just enter and sign in with your Google account or whatever. It's like a 30-second process at maximum to create a logo, which I think is mind-blowing. And I know they charge $19, but I think it's worth it, guys. Like, some people charge over $100 for a logo. These guys makes you a logo in 30 seconds for $19 if you want to pay. If you don't want to, you can go ahead and download the free version of your logo, which of course has no watermark, but the quality is just a little bit scaled down. However, it still is usable. So yeah, guys, this is the end of this video. Please go ahead and check out designhells.com. The link is going to be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and leave a sweet comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you did not join me yet. Please don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.